Welcome back to Orbital Secrets, the only show that fearlessly exposes the most chaotic, unhinged, and downright ridiculous attempts humanity has ever made to conquer space. Today's episode dives into one of the boldest and most spectacularly unrealistic engineering fantasies ever put on a government PowerPoint slide: China's space elevator. A project so ambitious, so impossible, and so dripping with pure delusion that even science fiction authors looked at it and said, "Relax, bro." This is the story of how a nation decided it would be a great idea to build a 36,000-kilometer cosmic skyscraper, why it immediately became an international meme, and how it almost convinced the world that Earth could have its own interplanetary escalator. Buckle in. This ride is not going up. The dream that shouldn't have left the whiteboard. China's State Aerospace Corporation announced the concept with the confidence of a student presenting a group project they clearly didn't do. According to the presentation, the plan was simple: build a giant cable from Earth to geostationary orbit, and let robotic cargo pods climb into space like they're going to the world's least convenient penthouse suite. Easy, right? Sure. And I'd like $10 billion and a pet dinosaur. The proposal video showed sleek graphics, glowing platforms, and a cable thicker than global patience for bad ideas. But engineers worldwide had one response: laughter. Because building a space elevator requires a material stronger than anything we've ever invented. Something like unobtainium coated with wishful thinking. Even carbon nanotubes could snap like spaghetti under the strain. And the stresses? The thermal shifts? The micrometeorites? A single piece of space dust flying at orbital speed would hit the elevator like a cosmic bullet. The funding madness. Despite every scientist yelling, "This is insane," someone approved a research budget anyway. Billions were poured into studies, tests, simulations, and probably a few drinking sessions to cope with the headache. Internal reports describe the project as ambitious, which is corporate code for "we're never finishing this, but let's pretend for the overtime pay." Teams tried to figure out how to anchor the structure, how to maintain it, how to power it, and how to prevent it from becoming a 36,000-kilometer whip that could decapitate the planet if it snapped. Global chaos and international memes. When the concept leaked online, the internet did what it always does. It destroyed it with comedy. Artists drew pictures of space tourists trapped halfway up because someone forgot to pay the electric bill. Animators created videos of the elevator being used as a cosmic jump rope by aliens. One particularly viral post imagined the entire thing collapsing and slapping across the Pacific, like Earth getting hit with a divine fly swatter. Even other countries chimed in. NASA unofficially called it ambitious but challenging. ESA said it was an extraordinary thought experiment. Russia said, "We'll believe it when it falls on someone." Engineering nightmare of the century. The deeper scientists looked into the details, the worse it became. Earth rotates fast. The elevator would experience forces so intense they'd rip it sideways. Wind? Catastrophic. Hurricanes? Instant death. Lightning? Forget about it. Maintenance alone would require an army the size of a small nation. Then there was orbital debris, the hundreds of thousands of pieces of trash currently circling Earth at bullet speeds. A single bolt could slice through the cable with the enthusiasm of a chainsaw going through butter. And even if the cable magically survived everything, the counterweight in orbit would need to be enormous, stable, and perfectly positioned. Any drift, wobble, or orbital shift could turn the entire structure into a cosmic whip. The future of impossible ideas. Now, is a space elevator possible someday? Sure, I want it in the same way time travel is possible, or the same way your neighbor might stop mowing the lawn at 6 a.m. Technically, yes, realistically not happening anytime soon. But the idea remains iconic because it symbolizes humanity's desire to look at the laws of physics and say, "We don't care," the moment reality hit. After years of studies, experiments, and thousands of PowerPoint slides, the research teams finally reached their conclusion. This may not be feasible with current engineering capability. Translation: this thing will never exist unless the laws of physics go on vacation. But instead of quietly canceling the project and hoping nobody remembered it, officials doubled down and said they'd revisit the idea in a few decades. Which is like saying you'll revisit your gym membership after the invention of teleportation. Ultimately, China's space elevator stands as one of the most entertaining engineering fantasies in modern history. A cosmic reminder that dreaming big is great until you actually try to build the dream and realize it's held together by hope, duct tape, and broken calculators. So the next time someone tells you their idea is impossible, just remember, somewhere out there, a group of very serious engineers once tried to build an elevator into space, and they nearly convinced themselves it could work. Only on Orbital Secrets could a story like this exist, where ambition meets delusion, and delusion wins by knockout.